Back here, we're in the six-cylinder testing area of Benelli Bauer. This is a six-cylinder engine testing stand, which is pretty cool with throttle mounted exhaust already there. So they just drop motors in, fire them up. Somebody building a 500 racer, which I'm building a 500 racer right now too, but aluminum framed. Wouldn't mind having this exhaust. I'll have to ask Wolf to run out this exhaust. Right now there's more six-cylinder motorcycles in one place than you'll ever see. Not just Benelli's. So here's a 900 say, another 900 say, but out here you got some CBXs. Somebody cut stainless aluminum, just went all out. This is a lot of work on that tank. It almost looks like these are Italian pipes. I think they are. Yeah, they are. Torinos. That's Italian pipes. So somebody mod some Italian pipes to fit a Japanese bike. Because I know those pipes. They're 750 say pipes. Unless that company makes them for a CBX, which I wouldn't see why they would. But yeah, there's more six-cylinders here than anywhere. I think there's, I counted so far, like 66 cylinders. This is a later 900 Benelli 6. Anyway, I'll keep shooting videos throughout the weekend. This is Benelli World in Germany. Only happens every 5 years. So, see you guys. What's up, guys? Zoe Nick. Got the old Riverside out today. Hasn't been out in a while. Man, this little bike's fast, man. It's only a little 175. I got it stroked and bored, but this bike's scary fast for how little it is and for the braking. You don't really want to ride it as hard as it can go. One of my favorite bikes I own. I consider it a piece of art. It was a stock when I got it. The Italians say I bastardized it, but they're not worth much money in America, and I made it what I wanted it to be. A little cafe racer. Race around. I got my own, pretty much my own track here on my drive, on my property. Goes all the way around. So when you recognize these foot pegs for GSXR, everybody knows I want to do Benelli and Suzuki, so it's one of the two on all my bikes. Alright guys, hope you have a great week. See you. What's going on, guys and girls? Zoe Nick. So I actually pulled into a garage sale. I found this Honda XR 650. This rig, nice, I mean, really clean, man. And I couldn't pass it up. I'm like, I gotta buy that. And I'll tell you what, it fires right up. Got the original everything. I mean, it's completely unmolested, and it's tagged, and he gave me a set of knobby rims and tires to swap over in case you want to take it in the dirt. And it was very cheap, like cheap. Yeah, it's I can't get on it. I can't even throw a leg over it. It's really tall. So if you're tall and you're looking for, this is just, I'm going to take all this off. This is just a black decal. So I'll take that off. But the rest of it's nice, man. Paint's nice. The seat's perfect. Got the original tool bag. Blinkers are still on it. It's got a 2020-2024 tag. It looks like the chain and sprocket is nice because these things eat up chains and sprockets. It looks like the output shaft has been replaced before because that was a problem on these bikes. But yeah, it's got the disc cover on it. But it's clean, man. And as the shop manual is this thick, and he gave me this rim and this rim, so you can swap it to off-road quick without changing the tires. So I'm not gonna keep it because it's too tall for me. It's got a clean title, so if anyone's looking for one of these, let me know. It doesn't need anything. Turn that light off. Light switch. Now I'll just turn the whole bike off. Everything works, horn works. And it ain't beat up at all. It's in really nice condition, man. I mean, really. So whoever owned it, the guy who owned it took care of it. It's really clean. So, if you're interested in it, let me know. Because it's not something I can ride. It's too tall for me. I'd have to be 4 inches lower for me to even throw a leg over it. It's very tall. But I heard these are good. The XR650 is a good bike. So, if you're interested in it, let me know. I'll probably sell it for, I don't know, maybe $2,300. Clean title, ready to ride, doesn't need anything. And it comes with the knobbies. So that's a pretty good buy. So let me know. See you guys. What's going on, people? LA Nick at the Miko motorcycle auction. There's some wacky stuff. Like, that's whacked out to me. Double engine Harley chopper. I don't get it. It's not my thing, man. Look, no one will even pay $5,000.
Come on, $5,000.
No one will buy it.
6, 7, 8, 9.
I mean, someone did a ton of work to that thing, and they can't even sell it. Someone's buying $100 grand.
Roll it. $9,000 bid. Anybody get 10,000? Anybody get 9 bid? Anybody get 10? Anybody get 10? Anybody get 9? Anybody get 10? I have 9,000. Anybody get 10,000? Anybody get 10 bid? Riverside. I have 9,000.
I mean, look how much work is into that. Don't build custom choppers, man. Sold for $9 grand. Someone probably has 100 in it. So this I like. A little shovel head, dainty frame, nice and small. It's a cool bike. This bike's nice. I'm not a chopper guy, but I like this one. Yeah, see, it's already jumped up 20 grand. It's a cool bike. $19 grand. It's a nice chopper, though. It's pretty, man. Well done. Nicely done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. And share, man. Sharing my videos help me a lot. So, I'll keep filming. You keep watching. What's up, guys? That's an original RG. Factory race bike from 87. They only made 50 of those bikes. Yeah, we don't see these bikes in America, man. There's just so many brands in Italy. It's just a way of life here. I mean, there was a whole Bridgestone race team here. You would never see this in America. Ever. Uh-oh. People ain't making their heat. They can't get their bikes to start. I don't think this bike's gonna make it. A lot of nice bikes in this country, man. They're everywhere. I love these little dainty bikes. I mean, look at that frame. Alright guys, I'm going to go watch the races and I will film some more stuff for you. Remember, we got a whole week. Benelli week starts Monday. Right now we're at Imola Speedway for Vintage Weekend. It's all vintage bikes. But I will shoot lots of videos. See ya. What's up guys? Ella and Nick. We are at Benelli week and we hit this collection outside of Rimini. Not uncommon to find a 300-400 bike private collection, and this guy's got some really cool stuff. And look at this old Airmachi Harley. Never seen one of those. Never seen a lot of stuff. Balsamo. Look at that bike. Balsamo is just insane, man. They made some crazy shit. Never seen this bike. Motoretto. Engine's kind of in the rear. The Rumi. Seen every Rumi because we've been to Rumi before. I took you guys there last year. Modem. This guy's got some really, really, really unique stuff. There's AGS. Here's an Indian. I believe this is an Indian. No, it's not either. Not even New Imperial. New one on me. Frere. This guy's is a Rouge. This guy's got them stashed everywhere, man. Just everywhere. Look at that Flat Tank Norton. Flat Tank Norton's pretty cool. These are some of my favorites. The Gala, really pretty bike. Piece of art. Here's a Nera car. They actually had a hood that closed the engine, and it's closest to a car as you could get. There's a Sunbeam. Pretty cool bike. Look at that, wicker seats. What is that? Automucci. Never heard of it. That's crazy. It's crazy looking. Really crazy looking. It's not uncommon to find these collections throughout Italy. Everybody has a massive bike collection. And this guy's got a big variety. Look at this thing. That's a Ducati. Ducati. I've never seen that before. Mako Mobile. I don't know what this is. It says Ducati on the other side, but I've never seen it before. Never seen it before. Pretty neat, though. I mean, it just goes on. It's just endless, man. Endless. Let's check that upstairs. We have a Moto Kawasaki. This is just a private, some guy's house, man. Not uncommon. Not uncommon. He's big into these Ferraris. You got a lot of them. I've never even heard of them. This guy's got like 100 of them. Frere, Norton. Wow, this guy's got a lot of stuff, man. Look at that old Goosey. That's a nice look to it there. He's got a lot of variety, man. Look there. The motor. Got a lot of nice stuff, man. Here's the Benelli, one of the most famous Benellis. Well, this model was a very famous Benelli, 500. This is all gears, from gear all the way gear, no chain. This bike changed Benelli, won a lot of races for Benelli. Very groundbreaking for Benelli. Love the MV. Big double overhead cannon MV Augusta 750. Something I dream of. Alright guys, I am going to a lot of collections this week throughout Italy, so I will keep posting video and hope you enjoy them. See you guys. Hey, this bike runs and drives. Literally, it runs and drives. You don't believe me? Watch this. What's going on, kids? Going in. She's running. The ghost bike. Running on air. Actually, don't sound too bad. Pretty cool. This guy makes some cool stuff. They get the award for creativity. Definitely get the award for creativity. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, these guys get... We're going to fire up the Morbidelli before they try it inside the convention center to make sure it starts, so they're not embarrassed. Sometimes, you know, vintage bikes don't want to start. This is a GP bike, so you want to make sure it runs. John Carlos was the master, man. The master. Small CC bikes. Alright, here we go, guys. Maybe not. Wait till you hear this bitch. It's freaking loud, man. Oh, didn't fire, man. Side trying. God damn, that's loud.
Qué bonito, hombre.
Or Benelli was the master, man.
No tiene cruce que nos devuelve para
John
atrás.
Collis was the master. All right, see you guys.